What message does it send to companies looking to do business in China now that the government is targeting the finance industry after going after the tech industry?
Well, I think when you say they're looking at finance, it's been very limited. They've been very much more careful about touching the financial system or outsiders. But look, this is a serious subject. And anything that relates to national security, I'm a patriot first, and I'm going to salute my government. So put that aside. What the government should do and wants to do and is now saying they are going to do is have conversations. They're going to be tough, but they should be thoughtful. Certain things are really national security, certain things are not. You know, and we shouldn't confuse the two. America and China have a lot of common interests: climate, nuclear proliferation, anti-terrorism, global stability. You know, and we have differences. You know, we're capitalists, they're not. You know, and it's okay. We could sort that out, but we need to keep the Western alliances together, not just around war and Ukraine, but around strategic, economic relationships, including trade. We can't take trade off the table every time we talk to, Europe or Asia and stuff like that. So I would go back into TPP. I would surround the world. I'd want to keep the world safe for democracy, and I'd want to have open markets, particularly with Europe. And when I was here last time was when we passed the IRA Act. A lot of great things in that act. But there are things I don't like too much social engineering inside of it, but also it pissed off all of our allies.
Will the potential increase in Chinese noise on finance negatively impact China's economic growth?
I think you've already seen, it's not trade, but you've seen investment going both ways coming down. And that's okay in the short run, but in the long run we should say and the government's got to decide. This is not going to be business companies decide, nor should they. So when Congress criticizes business sometimes, there may be truth to that. They have to decide what is okay, what's not okay, what do they want, what's security, and that's around trade, that's around investment, and that's around sharing IP.
China has been limited in its focus on the financial system due to concerns over national security. However, the government is now indicating that they will have tough but thoughtful conversations about the matter. It's important to differentiate between issues of national security and those that are not. Despite the differences between the US and China, the two countries share common interests such as climate change, nuclear proliferation, and anti-terrorism. It is crucial to maintain Western alliances for strategic economic relationships, including trade. The Trans-Pacific Partnership could help in this regard. While companies have a responsibility to do business, the government has a duty to decide what is acceptable for national security reasons. Congress may criticize businesses, but they have to determine what is okay and what is not, particularly in regards to trade, investment, and sharing of intellectual property.